shelf cloud coming through. This is a powerful storm coming through right now. This could be a very powerful storm. I was just going swimming during this fucking shit, but meh. This is definitely a very powerful storm. This is the one they're talking about, severe thunderstorms. They're warning about the storm right now coming through, which is... Whoa! That was lightning. Yeah, this is going to be a powerful storm. This looks like a... Whoa! We don't get shelf clouds off. We don't get... Holy shit. We don't get shelf clouds often. Usually, we don't even get wall clouds. We get wall clouds like once a year. Or rotation. This is a shelf cloud. I'm going to put in 0.5 to get better angle. Whoa, that was lightning. I'm going swimming during this like a dumbass, but once this gets really close, I'm going to end the video. I'll video it after when it comes in. That wind though. That wind's strong. This has the potential to destroy stuff. This is a mean storm. Very mean. Look at that shelf cloud pushing. Look at that thing. Wow. Look at that shelf cloud. It's pushing over there too, but look at that thing. Whoa. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that thing just coming in. This is insane. This is what they were talking about for severe. Look at the thunder. Look at the cumulonimbus. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Not much thunder during it, but here it is. Look how fast it's moving. This is the meanest shelf cloud I've seen in so long. Look at that. Holy crap. Holy crap. I have not seen a storm like this in a while. We had one shelf cloud pass through already, but not one like this. I'm sorry if I'm shaking. It's from the winds. Look. It's already here. That might topple trees over. I'm very in danger of the lightning right now. I'm going to probably stay over here. Here it is. Here's the storm. They were talking about the severe thunderstorm. Frick, 10%. Here it is. Here's the storm they were talking about. I'm going to end the video. I just woke up to a thunderstorm passing through. A lot of lightning going on right now. See if I can capture some. Let's see. That was mean. Random bolt. There was a close one that just hit. Thunder. Whoa, there we go. I want to get outside, but no, because this is pretty bad. This is pretty good. Should I? It's like 4 in the morning. Nuts. This is nuts. We're supposed to get thunderstorms all day, and we're already off to a storm. Right in the morning. Holy crap. Just straight morning storm. Oh yeah, there's the storm front. Should I go to the... Look. There you go. Caught that. Caught some lightning. Tornado. We're under a tornado warning right now. Hear it? Good. See if I can capture it again.
I'm guessing when that goes away, all that like.
Look at. It's coming in, but look. It's rotating.
That open space.
Constant thunder.
Watch views from the clouds.
Boom.
You see it? Over there. You're looking on the screen and it's here.
This is a mesocyclone, Mom. This is a mesocyclone. Rain wrapped. Dad, look how rain wrapped it is, though. Boom. Mom, come here. Come look at this low. There's a wall cloud right there.
Wow.
That's.
Here I want to see.
I'm interested right in front of us because look, that's a wall cloud forming.
Anything here. There's something. Like,
Oh, there's not. There's the lowering's gonna be in front of us. Boom. That's all hail. Whoa, this is a barrage right now. As you can see, we're in a tornado warning right now. Yeah, I moved out of the way.
So what would happen? Just schools right now. They're coming home. What? Why?
Whoa, I caught that. Mom, look at how it's rotating though. It's rotating really bad. Look at that mesos. That's something right there. Yeah, there's something right there. That's a wall. Is this a wall cloud forming, Mom? This is what you call a this is not an anticyclonic one. This is a something's in there. Do you agree? This is insane. Is this? Look it up there. Look how it's rotating. Whoa, that's a power flash. Is there something on? That was a power flash. That was a power flash. That wasn't lightning.
He's in timmins. Yeah, I don't
Look at the green.
I know.
What in the world? Is this alien?
Holy fuck, it's Mom, it's right there. Oh boy.
Look at, is that a funnel?
Yep.
Right there?
That's one starting, yep.
That's a tornado.
Here it comes, yep.
Yep, that's get ready.
Watch out for the truck, Tim.
Dad, funnel, wall cloud.
Not a walk.
That's a, oh, there's a funnel in there.
Look at the funnel starting.
Sirens, sirens. Sirens.
Right here, look at it spinning.
No, over there.
There, that, yeah, I'm worried about that one, but.
That's not,
You don't see it turning?
yeah, it's not a funnel
That's wall cloud. That's what you call a wall. Look at its look at that
Look at that rotation. Yeah.
Wow.
See? That's a funnel.
Look at that rain shaft right there, Mom. Look, that's scary.
It's getting
Whoa.
cold.
That is.
What's that? To die.
Are we gonna die? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What in the world?
Fuck.
Was I talking about the hail, Mom? Do you think this is hail coming in?
Now, if the wind picks up, that's where you're gonna get a funnel come in.
That is.
It's trying to.
Look at that. Look at that. Fuck. I mean, I don't care about the lightning. Whoa. Look at that funnel.
You know what it is? It's the color, eh? That makes it.
Scary.
Yep. So it's from debris being sucked up from the ground. That's what makes it green. I'm just sending shit to kill
Ground circulation. Ground circulation.
That's why
Ground circulation.
Joey, that's why tornadoes usually happen in the evening, is because the debris gets sucked up and makes the sky green.
Mom, look, there's like ground. I'm picking up ground
I don't see
circulation.
any.
I just saw. That's a funnel. Look, that's one. Should we head inside?
No, freezing. Fine. Go grab something. Look at this.
Mom, that's
It's forming. It's circling and it's coming down.
Right here's where we gotta watch out. This is Scud.
Yep.
Look how fast it's moving.
what do you call it? Macro? Was it micro?
Microburst. Macroburst. Downburst. Here we go with the gust front. This is menacing. I don't think we're gonna get a tornado. We're gonna get sure
We're
shit.
gonna get a fucking tornado.
No, we won't.
Not right now.
No, over there we will.
Ooh, that was above us. Should we head inside? Right there, Mom.
Cool, because the wind, because that, oh my god.
That's a funnel. That's a funnel, Dad.
Check it out, Tim. Right above us. See how it's turning into one?
Holy. Should we head inside?
No freaking way.
Oh my god. Oh my. It's starting to rain. Your hair's standing up, by the way. I'm going inside. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a fucking storm. Wow. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Hail. It's gonna start soon, I think.
Yeah, it's hailing. That's hail. Hear it? Holy shoot. That is so crazy. Oh my god. Look at the rain. Oh! Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at the rain.
I sent pictures.
Turn off the lights. You want to go upstairs? Will it be a better view upstairs? Listen.
Do you like the wall of
Yeah?
storm coming in?
That is, I caught it.
Beautiful to have like a forming funnel go right over your head.
I knew that was a funnel form. Was I right?
Yeah.
You're soaked.
Now it's the wind.
It takes 2 seconds. It's dead until that wall hits you.
Yeah.
Trees might go down, by the way. Trees might go down. Just stay away from the windows if it starts getting worse, okay?
That one guy swerved into the other lane because it was.
That's hail.
I think the power's gonna go out.
Look at the
Power's gonna go out probably.
look at the rain like
Okay,
that.
let's send
Oh,
him and his
that's a
dad.
tornado. That's a tornado. Whoa. That's a tornado, guys.
There will be one. I don't like when they gave that tornado warning. I'm assuming there will be one.
Nighthawk.
For here.
What's that?
Usually Nighthawk area.
I think we might get it. Come on. Ow!
What happened?
What's he doing? He was wanted pets. He wanted attention.
Look at it going down the road.
I didn't know what type.
This is the most powerful storm of the year. Do you agree?
It's usually like Rice Lake, Miracle Falls, or Nighthawk
I
area.
didn't know
Well,
what
it's usually
touched
bush
me.
area when it actually touches down. But
Yeah.
Oh, my foot! Look. I really did.
This is gonna be the most powerful storm of the year. Look at it cascading. Power might go out.
That's what I'm thinking.
Maybe.
I want to go swimming.
Not in this, dude.
Yeah,
I don't think I've ever seen a well in years a storm.
I see. Last year it was like this. Remember, just less
No,
lightning.
not like
No,
this.
not the green sky like this.
It was like it. Just it was the most like the wind and rain was like it. Just less.
Tornadic.
It was tornadic. It was just less lightning. Do you agree? It's not as big. It was a smaller mesocyclone.
What is that?
Oh, perfect.
I'm going over.
Almost in.
Oh, that is sick. It's pirouetting.
Caleb and him need to like get together in a storm.
Holy fuck. Holy shit. Look how fucking, that's crazy.